How to start up a lifestyle vlog with AI. So a lot of people want to be doing vlogging these days and they don't know what to do because they don't know how to record videos. Let me teach you how to start up an AI vlog with no camera. Watch this.
I'll
Something
start
like
by
so.
washing this plate. When I'm done washing this plate, guys, I'll be moving to the parlor to mop the floor because why not? Wokobuchi needs to clean the house, of course.
Like this, you can actually start up a get ready with me, a cooking vlog, any kind of vlog, health vlog or anything with AI. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do this. It's actually very, very easy. This AI is going to help you get your images together, get you to image to video or text to video, text to image, image to video, yes, and it will get you your script. If you want a voiceover, it will actually add up the voiceover. If you want to use your own voice, your choice, you can actually use your own voice. But these days, you don't need to carry a camera around, or you don't even need to start buying an expensive phone to be a vlogger, or you don't need an expensive beautiful house to be a vlogger or to be a lifestyle vlogger. You can do travel vlogs, any kind of vlogs with AI. Just know the right tools to use, which I'll be showing you today in this video, step by step, how to do a lifestyle vlog or how to do another vlog. But yeah, today we are talking about lifestyle vlog with all the AI tools. My name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to make money with AI, and again, I show you how to work with AI tools. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually do this lifestyle vlog. Yes, this lifestyle vlog, particularly with consistent character. It's not like the first character you'll be looking different and no, you'll be using consistent character. You can actually change your outfit, you can change your hair, you can change your clothes, your shoes and everything, but still your face and your body looks the same. That is consistent character, and that is what I'll be teaching you today for this lifestyle vlog thing. Let's go. Let me show you how to do this. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you or the next AI tool you want me to review for you. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Do not forget to always check my description box for the prompts, for the tools that I'll be using, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.
Okay, guys, so first thing first, you go to ChatGPT. You open your ChatGPT like so. So I'll open my ChatGPT here. Now, what I'll do is I'll actually create a prompt, okay? I'll write a prompt. But then I'll get to paste half of it and I'll put it on the screen for you to see. And again, in my description box, I'll put the prompt and all the apps that I'm using. So I'll start by saying, create a brown skin lady in her 30s, okay? You can use 20s, you can use 40s, depending on what you want. In her 30s, yes, okay. Now, after I say this, I'll paste now my prompt. I'll paste the remaining of it, which is this description. I'll leave it on the screen for you to see, okay? Okay, then I'll now add photo size, which is the photo size in landscape size. Okay, so this is what I have. This is the first scene. Okay, I'll now click on generate and then I'll let it generate to the image, and when it's done generating, then we move to the next scene. Okay, so I'll click here where it says generate. I'll click up there and I'll wait. So click. So you can see this is the prompt. I specified the outfit, how the house is going to look like, what she's going to wear, her nail polish, what she'll be wearing as cell pass or what she'll be holding. I actually specified what I wanted. So ChatGPT will get us this image and then we'll wait. Now, there is one thing. If you know you cannot actually do images on ChatGPT, ChatGPT will give you 4 free images every day. Yes. They'll give you 4 free images every day. Some people will tell you ChatGPT cannot generate if you don't pay. No, you can get 4 free images every day. I'll tag you. I'll put the link in my comment in my description box so you get to follow it up, okay? So after this, we'll create the next. So let's wait and see what this is going to give, and then we continue to the next image. Okay, guys, this is the image we have, okay? This is the lady. She looks good. Everything looks good. Now, for us to create the next image, I'll be telling ChatGPT to create me uh, an image of the same character in the above. Yep, I'll not paste. I'm telling you guys, okay? In the above image, in the above photo, same outfit. In the above photo, same outfit, same outfit. Then I'll paste this prompt now. After the same outfit, I'll paste this prompt. Now this prompt actually goes on with what she's wearing, okay? What she's wearing, where she's at, how the house looks like, and all that, like how the environment looks like, which I'll put in the comment in the description box as well. So I'll click again on generate, and I'll wait for ChatGPT to generate the image. So I'll click here on generate, and I'll say make image in landscape. Don't forget that one. If you're doing for TikTok, for YouTube, if you're not doing for YouTube, it's okay. You can use the portrait. So I'll put in landscape, okay? Landscape size. Now we'll click again on generate. Yeah. I'll click here on generate and wait again. Let's wait for it to generate. Then I'll come back again and I show you, like I said, everything in the description box, everything that you need to know. While I'm bringing you all here to follow up step by step how I create this image, because a lot of people get confused and be like, oh, this one is not supposed to be like this. I don't know how you got this one. I don't know how you did this. Yeah. ChatGPT is actually making it easier these days, and you can get consistent character up to 90%, let's say. Yeah, you can get up to 90% consistent character, of course. So yeah, let's wait and see the image and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the second image. Now you can see this image and this image, same person, right? See how it looks, consistent character. The character is actually consistent. Why? Because your consistent character comes with your prompt. Okay, now let's go to the next scene so you get to understand more. When I talk about consistent character, you will understand it. Now I'll click here and I'll say create me the same again. Yeah, the same characters. I'll be using the same character in the image, in the photo above, okay? In the photo or from the photo. Same character from the photo above. From the photo above. Same outfit. Same hair. Same outfit, same hair. Sitting on the chair. What I said was create me the same character from the photo above, same outfit, same hair, and same parlor settings on the chair. Oh, same parlor settings. Okay, here. Now we say sitting on the chair. Sorry, I missed that out. Sitting on the chair, holding a glass of wine on one hand and the other hand holding an open book while she looks into the book. So we have this, okay? We have this. Now, what I'll do is I'll not forget to put landscape. So I'll click this and I say photo in landscape, okay? Photo in landscape mode, landscape size. And then I'll click on generate again and I'll wait. After this, then we go to the next tool where we go turn these images into videos so you can actually create your lifestyle videos with yourself, by yourself, sorry. So yeah, I'll click on generate. Okay, generate, and we wait. So the next app we'll be using now to generate from image to video, it will be the HaiLuA AI or the Minimax AI. Now the Minimax already have an app. A lot of people were asking me. Yes, it has an app. This is the app. I'll show you. Let me drag it here so you get to see it. So that's the app and that's how it looks like. That's the name of it, HaiLuA AI. Okay, this is it. Again, there you go. That is it. Now what I'll do is I'll click on that app, and once you open it, please register on this app with your Google account, okay? Or your email, sorry. Register with your email. Now if you register here, you can see image to video, text to video, image to generation. You can see that, right? Now I'll click image to video, okay? You can click image to generation, you can click image to video, but I'll click image to video. That's the one I'll use for today. Now if you click on image to video, it brings you here. Now what you need to do is click to upload an image. I'll click and it will take me to my gallery. So you have here album, camera. I'll go to my album. It will take me to my gallery. Now I'll take the first image that we created, which is this one. Now once we have this image in, there the image. Now I'll just type here where it says you can enhance camera control movement by imputing natural language or inserting instructions. Now this place, learn how to control camera movement. So here it's actually for you to paste your prompt. So all I need to do here is just to say leading, I'll say character cleaning the plate. Character cleaning the plate. While water is flowing from the tap. Okay? So water is flowing from the tap. That's it. So after this, I'll not do too much because I don't want to do a lot of on and on, going down, come back and all that. So this one, I'll click on this first. I'll click on finish where it says finish. I'll click on finish. Click on finish. Once you click on finish, you click on this 30 down here. You see 30, you click on 30. Click on 30 here. And it will send you to start generating your image. So that is the image up there. You can see 0%. And we need to wait for a while for it to be done. I'll put this app also. I'll link it in the description box. So please don't worry yourself rushing to look for the name of the app again. But still, I'll put the link in the description box. And I'll try to put some of the prompt for you all in the description box. If you've not subscribed till now, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much. When this video is done generating, I'll come back and show you until we're done generating all the scenes. Then I'll get to show you how to put it together and put your voice over. So stay tuned while you watch this video. Okay, so this is the HaiLuA AI. I'll open it now. And you see how the video has generated. I actually generated it 2 times. So this is this one. Click on it, you see. Natural movement, her face, her hands, very natural. So this HaiLuA AI, it's actually very good when it comes to image generation. They're mad, okay? If you actually want to get a tool, you can generate 3 videos a day from this tool for free. But if you want to pay for it, you can pay for it as well. If you want to use it for free, you can use it for free. So yeah, guys, that's it for this. Okay, now we are done with all our images. We are done turning our images into videos. Now the next step is we are going to CapCut to put these images together. I'll show you these images, how I turned them to video, because the app was taking a long time and I didn't want you all to wait. So this is the first image of the lady watching the plate, looking natural. The second one, she was just waking up from bed and planning her day and doing a little prayer. And then this one, we generated this one when she was cleaning the house, and this when she was drinking wine. So now when it comes to this, you can actually put in anything. Since we already said it's actually a lifestyle vlog or depending on the kind of vlog you want to vlog. So you imagine different scenes, okay? You waking up, praying, going to take your shower, changing up your clothes. There's a lot of different scenes. Now let's go to CapCut without taking much of your time. I'll go to CapCut now. Click on CapCut. So now here on CapCut, I'll click on new project. You click on new project, then you put in according to how it's supposed to be, right? So we have this, we have after this she went to wash plates, then cleaning the parlor, then later she had her reading time. So we have this, which will be the first
Thank
part.
you, Lord Jesus, for a beautiful day. Today is cleaning day. Let's go clean the house.
Okay. And then we have this one where she's washing the plates. And then we have this and this. Now you might already have your voiceover. All you need to do is just add in voiceover. Now I'll click here on audio. Once you click on audio, it says record. When you click on record, you can now start talking. Click here. Hi guys, let's wake up and plan my day today, how my day is gonna be. So I got up, I washed plate, went to the kitchen, I washed the plate that I just had. Then next thing, I went to the parlor to mop the floor. When I was done mopping the floor, I was a little bit tired. I just sat by the chair and drank wine, then read a book. Guys, this is just an imagination in my head, okay? I'm teaching, so I don't have a lot of things running in my head. But yeah, this is what you get. Now you put in your voice note. When you're done putting in your voice note, you click on this tick here. You come back.
Thank you, Lord
You listen
Jesus,
to
for a
yourself,
beautiful.
okay? You listen to yourself. Now,
Thank
once
you,
you
Lord
listen
Jesus.
to yourself and you listen to yourself and you make sure that your words are not wrong. If they are wrong, you click on the voiceover itself, highlight, delete, go back to recording, and then you record again until you get it right. Now, when you're done doing all that and you click on this tick and your sound is okay, make sure you come up here where you see 480p. You click there, you bring it up to 1080p, high quality. Now, when you put it to high quality, then you click on export and then you export your video and you're good to go. Okay? Now,